how to find sky islands in Terraria. So the fastest method is by using a gravity potion. So these are found in chests or crafted with bottled water, plus fire blossom, plus deathweed, plus blink root, and a feather. Now once you have your gravitation potion, you just basically need to drink it. And once you click on your up button, you will now just basically go upside down just like this. And as you can see, we already have found a sky island, but it's empty. So we'll just basically continue going up and down until we find another one, which is right here. As you can see, we now have found another sky island. But if you don't have any potions yet, you can use weapons that bounce or make noise. So let's say you have some musket balls or meteor shot. So just basically shoot a gun straight up. And if you hear the bullet impact a block, like a distinct tink sound, or see a bounce, you can now basically build up right here until you basically reach the sky island right there. Just do note that if you're too far away from the sky island, you probably won't hear the tick sound of your gun or something. And the last method that you can do is by basically using a lot of rope and just basically building it straight up just like this. So just continue this until you reach space right about right here. And once you're at the top, just basically build a rope horizontally, or basically build a horizontal bridge of blocks or platforms across the world until you run into a sky island. And that is how you basically find sky islands in Terraria.